Hello and welcome back to another school week at Newlands Primary School. It's so good to see you. Did you have a good weekend? Now, the quote that I showed you just before we started is one that I think is a very important one. In a world where you can be anything, be kind. That's a really important one to remember, isn't it? Sometimes we can get a little bit upset about things when things don't go exactly the way we want to go. But we need to always remember we need to be kind. We need to be caring. We need to think about how other people are feeling and help them to make their day better. When we do that, that makes our day better as well. And there's so many fantastic things that are happening in the school and so many fantastic children. And when we're kind, it makes everything even more fantastic. Isn't that great? Now, I know you're just wondering, what is our next challenge? Well, of course it's going to be British Sign Language, and we have some new signs. We've been practicing the alphabet. Do you want to remember what the alphabet is one more time? Okay, here we go. Here's the alphabet one more time.
Hi everyone, we're going to do our BSL alphabet. So we are going to start with A. Index finger to your thumb. A. B. Both our hands like this, together. B. C. We make a C with our hand in the same shape as a C. D. Make a D shape facing you. D. E. Our index finger to our other index finger. E. F. Two fingers. Your dominant hand on top. F. G. Two fists, your dominant hand on the top. G. H. Your dominant hand sliding across your top. H. I. Index finger to your middle finger. I. J. We make a lovely J shape from our middle finger all the way down to our thumb. J. K. Bit of a curl on our index finger. K. You see the shape of the K there. K. L. Just our one finger on the palm of our hand. L. M. Three fingers, like the letter M on the palm of our hand. M. N. The same but with two. N. O. Our index finger to our ring finger. O. P. We make a P shape with our hands. P. Q. Hook our index finger just in there. Q. Q. R. We make an R sound with our index finger shape on our palm of our hand. R. S. Both our little fingers and hook it on. S. T. Our index finger along the bottom of our hand. T. U is our last finger. U. V. Two fingers. Make sure they're open like a V shape. not an N, a V, W, X, Y, the Y shape on our hands, Y, and Z. Well done, everybody. Keep practicing.
Thank you, Miss Hume. That's your challenge this week. And when you see me, that is what I want you to sign to me. My name is, and then sign your name. Do you think you can do that? Maybe there's a head teacher award in it somewhere. All right, everyone, get working on your challenge. Have a good week. See you later. Bye.